Good morning. Happy Wednesday. It's Amy from So Let's Be Quilty Studio here in Pentwater, Michigan. And a little partly cloudy today, but it's supposed to be a nice day. It's homecoming week, so super busy for our little town. Homecoming is a big deal here in Pentwater. This week they have a whole bunch of events. We have a parade. We have fireworks on Saturday. So it's really a fun week. So hoping that it's super busy and we have lots of fun this week. So today I'm going to talk about a couple of things. So I'm going to introduce you to one of the final Halloween groups that I'm going to show you. There's two more, I think. And it is Tiny Frights from Ruby Star Society. It's a collab, so it's a bit of everybody's work. So they're tiny, obviously. So this one, if you get in really close, you can see there's pumpkins and candy and ghosts and all sorts of fun. Candy corn, something that my husband loves. Anyway. And then we do have some glow in the darks. We have the little eyeballs that will glow in the dark. And then the lightning will glow in the dark as well. This would make a great background. These guys are a little scary. So we have a little graveyard with skulls with like eyeballs and worms, but I mean, they're in pink, so they're kind of funny. So I got two colors of those. And then I got this neon pink in the tiny one with all the little ghosties and mushrooms. Love that one. Then I got the little wrapped candy, which is very cute. We have some bats. Oh, I'm holding on really quick. Go over here.
So speak. I don't know if it's picking up the mic right.
Is it picking up the mic? Okay. Somebody tell me. Anyway.
Somebody tell us if Amy sounds really quiet.
And then we have the last one, which is kind of like the other one with the mushrooms and the little candies. You really have to get close to see all of the little Halloween bits and pieces. So that is Tiny Frights from Ruby Star Society. And then the next thing we're going to talk about is the sticker that's sitting on my... So last week I showed you the Bowl Me Over bag. And this is a pattern from By Annie. And I made it out of the Nightshade, Tulip Pink Nightshade, the Deja Vu line. So it has her little witchies on it. And then some really fun pink and lots of pockets. So I made kits. The kits are $105. They include all of the interfacing and the foam and everything to make it and all your hardware. So I have 4 kits. So basically you are getting everything you need to make this bag exactly the way I did. And there are pictures online. And I'll do a little collage of pictures that I'll put in the kit so you can see where I put things and how I did it. I have a couple of kits that have the same pink stripe zipper as this one, but then we ran out of that zipper and I can't get any more of that zipper. So we found a fantastic alternative. Hold, please. So somewhere at some point in time, I got obsessed with this neon green zipper and bought a whole bunch of it, and it just needed a project, and this is the project. So there's, I think there's 2 kits with the neon lime green zipper, and there's 2 kits with the stripedy zipper that's on the sample I made. So tell me in your comments which one you like, and that's one. So I only have 2 of each. So make your decisions. And this is such a great, I love that. Anyway, oh, you're going to put that in there? Can I help you?
Sure.
Okay. So I'm going to put this down here. And we're going to talk about, again, last week, we talked about the new fabric line from Fancy That called Dawn on the Prairie. And this is, I'm going to take this out so it doesn't have glare on it. So that is the quilt I decided to make kits for. And so we were missing one fabric. So that fabric came in. So I have kits available. It's just such a pretty line. The kits are $99, and I think I'm going to cut 2 more kits, so I'll have 4 kits in total to go out into the world. So so those are available online now. So and so are the Deja Vu line as well. Okay, and then I was ordering cork and faux leather for So Let's Make a Bag. So I picked up 3 new corks for the shop. This first one is called Robin's Egg. So it doesn't have like any glitter or anything in it, but it kind of has you know, kind of a neat texture. I've used this one a lot. It's so pretty. This is a new color to me. It's called Emerald. I'm going to open it up so you can see it a little bit better. So this is Emerald. I have a lot of floral in stock that would probably look awesome with.
Green color is not as good on video.
Yeah, the color is really rich in person. So we'll do that. And then I noticed I was lacking, I didn't have any black cork in stock, and sometimes black can just be very flat. So I ordered this black with the gold fleck, and it's really sharp. So I think that'll look great on bags and wallets and fun things. So those are the 3 new corks that are in stock. Come on down. They are $48 a yard, but you generally only need about 1/4 of a yard for most projects. So, and the Sally Tomato cork is really exceptional. Oh, we don't have any lights.
Oh,
Let's turn those lights back on and make it bright. Okay, so, and then the last thing I wanted to talk about, so there's a couple there. So we have some new Ruby Star coming in late this month. I have new so there'll be, what else is gonna come in? So there's a new line from Seth Appier from Free Spirit, which is kind of like a Tim Holtz kind of you know, kind of grungy, but really, really awesome. So that's coming up. So I'm excited for that one. And then I have a couple of really pretty florals coming in. So I'm excited for all of those. I will show them to you when they come in. Just a reminder, I have Tilda coming in October called Hibernation. And then I'll be putting out some digital pictures of those. I think I'm allowed to do it in a couple of days, or maybe now. I will check. Anyway, so I'll put the digital pictures out. I think I am going to do some pre-orders for Tilda, so keep an eye out for those, and I will show you what those are probably next week or the week after. And and then Tula's coming in October. So so we're waiting for those things. And Thursday make and take is called What's in My Bag. I have a couple of spots available. Super cute. So 2 fat quarters makes these 2 little items. So it's cute because it has the little see-through vinyl windows. You can see what's in there. What's in my bag. You get it? Okay. Anyway. So this is a really fun little class. This would make great gifts for anyone. Anyway, and then we had Miss Holly made them in a couple of really fun colors. I just think those are adorable. All right, so now I'm going to set up really quick for showing you what is in So Let's Make a Bag coming up. And we ended up with, we're going to have 3 or 4 projects instead of just 2, because we had some extra. So we're just gonna have more fun in the box. Okay. Here's what we're doing. These guys go over here. I know. Okay. So let's make a bag. So we're coming up on so we'll open it up on.
So we'll send out an email by the end of the week.
End of the week.
To make colorway selections.
Got it.
Current subscribers. It is currently open if people want to subscribe.
Okay. So what Mark said was, if you didn't hear him, is so I'm showing you the colorways. We will send out an email late this week to current subscribers so you can pick your colorway. I have limited amounts of the Alice, which I'll show you first. And then I have more of the other 2. So we have a kind of a mixture of cork and faux leather for this one. And we're calling it chic. We were calling it chic duo. We were calling it chic trio. So there'll be definitely 3 things in the bag. If I get the other thing I'm hoping to get, we'll have 1 more. If not, we'll have some sort of cool little thing that goes in there. So let's make a bag. It is quarterly. So every 3 months you get a box for $125, and you can choose to do that box or you can skip that box. We give you that option. The bag includes 2 to 5 projects, and we usually have a theme for them. This time I found some really fantastic canvas, and I paired them with some equally awesome cork and faux leather. And the first bag that I was really intrigued with was this Tiffany bag. So I'm showing you this with a caveat because I couldn't get the dark red. This red that is on that these you're showing this item and that item are the red that are going to be in there, which I think is equally as awesome. So we're doing the Tiffany bag, which is that guy. These are 2 things from Sally Tomato. So the Tiffany bag, which is this neat little bowler bag that, I mean, super chic. And then the second thing we are doing is we are doing the Bella zip around wallet. And when we get there, I'll show you all that's inside that one. And then I decided to add a little pouch to go, because everybody needs like a little thing to go in their bag for the little bits and pieces. And we're using a Niahoe and Twice as Nice pouch. And it allows you to use a tiny bit of your cork or your faux leather, and then you can see through to this front little pouch and put like little things that you need to get to right away. So I think these are fantastical option for this box. So the first colorway is called Alice, and we are using the Rifle Paper Company Wonderland fabric or canvas. And it has this kind of bright red in it, so I kind of picked that up with this bright red cork. And then we are using, I think this is called Suited and Booted from Tula Pink as your lining. And the little wallet, I just need to finish this one, but it's a great little zip around wallet that will go with this one. And then I'll have a sample of the little twice as nice pouch for that one. I just think this is adorable. And you do have enough um to fussy cut Alice. You get her like right in the center. So that's that one. So this is Alice. The second one is called Floral. Well, I mean, I don't know what else I can call it. It's floral. Also an RJR fabric. I don't know. Is this also Rifle Paper Company? It is. So this is also Rifle Paper Company. And then I kind of went and kind of pulled out this blue for your lining. And then I pulled out this kind of aqua color. It's called Harbor for the zip around, the Bella zip around pouch. So zip around wallet. So the wallet has a front zipper. So you can put little things in there. And then you open it up and it has pockets for all of your cards and ID. And then another little zipper for other things. So this one I'm going to add a few little things. We're going to have a little tips and tricks video because they have a great video that goes with this, but there are some things that I found super helpful when I was making it. So I'll share what I found was helpful. And then the twice as nice, basically it's like it'll have the zipper up here and then it has the little pouch in the front, and I'll show you that one when it's done. This was kind of a last minute addition, so I was trying my best to finish that last night. So this is floral. And then we have this really fantastic strawberry canvas, also from RJR. It was from a line called Under the Apple Tree. So it's these strawberries, and I just think they're adorable, with this cherry red lining. And then you can't really see how rich this navy cork is on camera, but it's going to be really sharp. So we have this one. So this one's strawberries. We'll be doing all the same 3 projects with it. So Friday, subscribers will be able to get their email, pick which colorway they want. It is open for new subscribers on soletsmakeabag.com, or go to So Let's Be Quilty and go to the So Let's Make a Bag tab, take you right there. I have enough to make, I think 75 or 80 boxes. So we have room for new subscribers. Love to have you come play with us. We'll have some videos and some fun things. I might do a little sew along with the Bella, because this one is a really fun little way for all of us to come together as a community and kind of help each other out and make this really, really fun and successful. And I think that was it. So let's make a bag. Subscribers get to choose on Friday, and everyone else can go ahead and sign up as soon as you get signed up. And all of my subscribers have a few days to choose. Everybody else will get an email and you will get to choose. So love to have everyone come in and come make bags with us. So happy Wednesday, everyone. I'll see you next week.